Minister, a couple of quick questions. One is, when are the student nurses? I have psychiatric student nurses and ordinary general students who have gone into the front line and helped, but they also have a situation where they pay their way through college by their placement time, which is 8 or maybe 10 weeks, and they get paid for that. So now they can't get that with agencies and everything else because of the COVID situation. So there is a huge hardship on families, especially who don't get grants. Minister, St Bridget's Hospital in Carrick-on-Shore, a wonderful district hospital, 3 hospice beds there, funded by the people and mainly of the communities, and also the fact that the respite services in that area are totally closed. You took it over for COVID, wasn't used literally, and it's open, and we're getting promises and promises. I want a definite date of you when those hospice beds and the respite beds will be returned to us. A definite date, if not today, in the coming days. Minister, I want to go back to the nursing homes. There's shambolic what went on there, and it had to be a public, independent inquiry from without the state. Of what the blackguarding went on there. Now, Minister, Deputy Shortall and I were at briefings with the Department and the Minister and Mr Houlihan and everybody else. I wish Mr Houlihan's family well. You were there as well. The shoe's on the other foot now, so we want answers, not waffle. The whole thing at the airports is shambolic. I would cause this whole pandemic as a scamdemic, and this is, people have been scammed, deceived, deceit being perpetrated on them. 62,000 people have come in, and less than 2,000 were even asked to fill a form or followed up. This is disgraceful. When we wouldn't allow the pubs to open, when we won't allow people to attend GAA matches less than 200, when above all we won't allow any more than 50 into churches. We have a wonderful Holy Year Mass, and I spoke yesterday about it in the Clonmel Holy Year Cross, every year for the last 60 years, and it can't be held outdoor. Can't be held because the numbers, we have 500–600 people on the bank holiday Monday morning, a wonderful occasion, can't happen. And the people can come in from all over the world, and you have absolutely no testing, no tracing, nothing. It's a con, it's a deceit, and the people are being conned. Totally and absolutely. I don't want to be having the new minister, but you were on the other side and you know. We're being conned. Ordinary people have been told on television, stay in, do everything. I heard Deputy Berry talking about Dublin, how the compliance with masks. Great. But why can't, the airports are a farce. And I've been saying this from the first briefing we had. You were at all of them, Minister, with the Taoiseach. We had to be good Europeans, we couldn't close them. Hungary could do it. And what could the Taoiseach do? Only criticise Hungary. And the now Taoiseach as well, Deputy Martin. So look, the people are being fooled. The poor people in the pubs that have many pensioners not getting a penny in any payment were misled last week to get stock, and they were going to reopen. And now, by the soundings this morning again, I'd say they won't be open on the 10th of August either. And anybody can come in from anywhere. Saigon, anywhere. And walk through the airport. Even you're going to have this electronic tracing now. Now it's going to be the Department of Transport. When we asked the Deputy Shortall asked one of the briefings, no one could tell us who was doing it. Nobody is doing it. It's not being done. It's open season for anybody to come in from any hotspot, red hotspot, into this country. And that is a disgrace. And it's an injustice to our people, our frontline workers, our staff, Garda Síochána, everybody who's trying to keep this at bay and beat it. And the people have been blackguarded, deceived. And it is a scam from that point of view, a total scam. Small business have been pushed out of business, and small people are, and ordinary people then trying to live in the country. And this blackguarding going on is just unthinkable. Thank
you very much. Thank you, Deputy. There's no time left for reply, Minister, so we're going to move on to the